Good day. I am Merafi Golfan Katampaw, your trainer for Cookery NC2. Today, I am going to demonstrate the procedure in connecting LCD projector to a laptop. We will need the following equipment: laptop, LCD projector, HDMI cable, and the power cable. Here are the procedures. Step 1. Place the LCD projector in a flat surface. Step 2. Locate HDMI port of the laptop. The HDMI port is located at the left side of the laptop. Here is the HDMI port. Step 3. Locate HDMI port of the LCD projector. The HDMI port is located at the back of the LCD projector. Step 4. Use HDMI cable to connect laptop to the LCD projector. Step 5. Power on laptop. Step 6. Power on the LCD projector. Connect the power cable to the power terminal. Then, connect the other end to the power source. Turn on the power button of the LCD projector. Step 7. Open computer files. Step 8. Press computer combination case to set display to projector. In this case, the computer display is already projected. Step 9. Adjust the focus knob to make the picture clearer. And here is the focus knob. Step 10. Adjust K-tone settings to correct the image distortion. Step 11. Switch off both equipment after use. Step 12. Unplug HDMI cable carefully. Step 13. Unplug power cable after use. Store equipment carefully after use. That would be all. Thank you and God bless.